Okay, let's take a look at this 2002 Suzuki Intruder. I will grab the camera and we're going to take a close-up video all around the bike for you. Right, take a close look at this Suzuki Intruder. It has had a full vehicle mileage check, government mileage check, and it's HPI clear as well. Some nice chrome work on this, including the nice chrome radiator cover. That's a nice touch on there. This is in a blue and black gloss paint. It's got the black spoked wheels on these. Got good tyres on it. The big chrome forks. The chrome covers over them. And the big swept back handlebars. Got a nice big chrome covers on the side here. This is shaft driven as well. A nice smooth delivery. It's got the forward position on the pegs as well. You get that nice riding position. And it's got the extra seat on the back, a little seat there. You can see there's the drive shaft. You've got the big fender on the back as well there. It's got the big twin side pipes on, similar to the Harley Davidsons. Straight through pipes there. Start this up in a minute and you'll listen to those. A nice clean bike this for its age. What we'll do, we'll take a look up at the dash and the clocks and we'll get the exact mileage off it as well. Like I say, it is a low mileage bike this. Okay, let's go up and have a look at the clocks on this and get the mileage. As you can see, it's done 9,820 miles, which is extremely low mileage for a bike of this age. As you can see, you've just got your standard controls there, you've got your starter on that side. Got your indicators and your horn on that side there, and your lights. So what we'll do, we'll start this up, listen to this these straight through pipes. Okay, let's start her up and hear her run. There you go, that's the Suzuki Intruder 800. If you'd like any more videos or photos of anything close up, we can do that for you and send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you'd like to give Dave or Dawn a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.